Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2012 on a 12 wheelchair adapted VW Caddy Maxi with a TBC conversion. We originally sold this car to our customer when it came direct to us from Motability, and we've recently bought it back and under our buyback promise. We understand that these vehicles are quite difficult to sell if you haven't got the experience or the time. So we will always offer to buy the vehicle back, providing you've looked after it the way the previous owners have looked after it too. So as you will see from this short video, the vehicle's in grade A condition, as is with all of our vehicles. We carry around about 25 in stock. We have got more than that in at the moment, but generally 25 with access to other vehicles that have come off of the Motability scheme if we haven't got what you need. So if this or any of our other vehicles aren't quite what you're looking for, give us a call. We may be able to get one from Motability for you. It's a 5-seat conversion plus wheelchair, but you can have the 7-seat option if needed by buying extra seats on this one. We have the seats, cost £350 plus VAT. With this one you will need to take the full-size spare wheel out and then put extra runners in and the seat belts. Not a difficult job, we can help you with that, so it's not a major problem. Getting back to the car, got your 4-point securing for the wheelchair, 2 electric belts at the front and 2 static belts at the back. As said previously, comes with the full-size spare wheel, ideal for taxi drivers and mobility users, and a bi-folding ramp. Comes with all the extras that you need: rear parking sensors, air conditioning, electric windows, electric mirrors, CD radio, ABS, everything you need. Doesn't come with Bluetooth, they didn't come out until 2017, or they was an optional extra. So, but your main accessories or extras on the car as usual, so pretty standard on that side. As said previously, it's a TBC conversion, and it does come with the stage 2 plate that's stuck on to the B pillar along with the original one from the vehicle. So for less information for the taxi drivers, if you're looking to register it with the authority, we can also help you with that. If you're looking for finance, we can finance the vehicle through Motonovo. We can do you a quick quote, send it to you, and once you've made your application, have an answer back in a couple of few minutes. Part exchange isn't a problem either. We can take any vehicle part exchange, doesn't have to be wheelchair adapted. It can be any vehicle. We'll always do the best for you. We don't retail anything other than wheelchair adapted, so we'll always try to get the best value for your part exchange as we can. If you want to have a look on our website, it's www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. For the taxi drivers, just type in premiertaxisales.com, take you straight to the taxi page. Alternatively, if you want to give us a call direct, you can do on 01634 716 911, or if you want to pop along to our forecourt, we're at Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott in Kent, and the postcode is ME24RL. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.